how to send payment confirmations on WhatsApp. So guys, this video is all about this question that we got from our users. So guys, welcome back, and in this video you will learn how you can send payment confirmations for the payments you are receiving via Razorpay application and send it those confirmation on WhatsApp to your customers automatically. So let me show you how this is going to work. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here guys, I'm using Razorpay application to receive the online payments from my customers, and as and when I got the payment, a confirmation message of the payment is going to be delivered to the same customer automatically. You need not to manually sort out the payment details and find out customer's WhatsApp number, and you don't have to manually compile the messages. And if you're even receiving hundreds of payments on daily basis, this is going to happen automatically, and it will surely save your immense amount of time and energy. And we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen guys, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So let me show you how you can also do this. So to start with this automation, first of all, you need to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you have to use this link pabbly.com/connect, and from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button. So guys, it will just take 2 minutes. Sign up right now and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, after that log in and reach here on the dashboard. So from here guys, you have to create a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this, and here you can give a suitable or relevant name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as send payment confirmations on WhatsApp. Alright, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automations work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow or make this workflow know that it is time to run, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be receiving of any payment via Razorpay, and the action towards that trigger would be to send a WhatsApp message to the person who have completed the payment or sent you the payment, right? So you have to set up your trigger first. So from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application, which is Razorpay in our case. Okay, select it, and this trigger event would be payment captured. Okay, select this payment captured, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a Webhook URL guys, and with the help of this we are going to make a connection with Razorpay, and after that we are going to capture the response of that Webhook connection. Okay, so to make the connection you can follow these steps written here. You need to reach the Webhook section of Razorpay under the settings, then you have to add a new Webhook there. Okay, let me show you how exactly you can perform this. So guys, this is my Razorpay applications dashboard, and here on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you will find this settings option. Click on settings. Alright, under the settings page you will find this Webhooks tab. Click on Webhooks, and here you can see I have already added some Webhooks, and you can add a new one by clicking on this add new Webhook button. Click on add new Webhook, and here in this Webhook URL field you have to copy this Webhook URL and paste it. Okay, so just click on copy and paste it here like this, right? Leave this secret as it is, and from this active events section you have to check this box payment dot captured. So you have to select this event, and when when we select this event, what will happen whenever you receive a payment, the data of that payment is going to be sent to my workflow and the workflow will run. Okay, so we have selected the active events. Now you just have to click on this create Webhook button, and you can see the Webhook got saved successfully here, right? So here you can see, as I have copied this Webhook URL from here, it started showing waiting for the Webhook's response. So guys, this means now we have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be this trigger event. That means we have to do a test payment or a demo payment here from your payment page of Razorpay, and after that we are going to capture the response of that payment here in our workflow. So guys, this is a payment page I have created in Razorpay for this course that I'm selling, PHP for Beginners course. Okay, so from here you can see I'm in the test mode. So from here I'm going to select this course, and this is the amount, and here I'm going to fill the details of any test customer. So let's say my customer is Ravish Kumar, and the email address of this person is this, and here you have to enter the WhatsApp number of the demo customer. Okay, so you can use any of your WhatsApp number to check the connection as well, right? So from here I'm going to click on pay, and you can see the test payment page is here. From here I'm going to select this card option, and here I'm going to use the test card details like this. This is not an original card. We are using test card details to make this payment. The card holder's name is Ravish. Okay, and I'm going to click on pay now, and here you can see a demo bank page is loading up here. From here I'm going to click on success, and you can see the payment is successful here. Right now let's see in our workflow if we got the data of this test payment captured or not. So this is our workflow, and you can see in this response received section we got the details of the payment here like this. All right, so here you can see we got the payment details as this. So here you can see in the response we have received the data as this, and here you can see it is showing the amount of the payment as 25,000, but actually we have received the payment of 250 rupees, not 25,000. But the response we captures from Razorpay does not support this decimal point, so it is showing the 2 zeros as it is here. We have received 2 extra zeros, so we can correct that. And here you can see we have received the card details, the customer details as well. These are the customer details. This is the course that the person has purchased, and we got the WhatsApp number here as well. So to correct this payment that we captured here, you can see we are going to use this action step, and from here we can choose a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called number formatter, guys. So select number formatter from this action step, and in this action event you can use this option, perform math operations. Okay, then click on connect, and here it is asking for the numbers. So here guys, I'm going to map this entity amount label in this field, and we are going to divide this amount by 100 so that we can get these extra 2 zeros removed. Okay, and to get these extra 2 zeros removed for every new payment, we are going to map this label here. Okay, so to map this label, just click here, and it will show you this Razorpay option in the drop down, and from here only map this amount label. So when you map the label here, what will happen whenever in real time you receive any payment after setting up this automation, these labels are going to change automatically, and the 2 zeros will be removed always. Okay, so from here what we want to divide this number by 100. So here you just have to put a comma, then put 100. Okay, and then in this operations field, from here you have to select this divide option. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and in the result label you can see we got the corrected amount as this 250, right? So that's how you can correct the amount. Now what we want to send a message of confirmation to this customer on WhatsApp. All right, for that to happen you have to click on this plus icon, and another action step will open up, and from here you have to choose WhatsApp Cloud API. All right, so guys, WhatsApp's Cloud API is Facebook's own cloud API platform for using WhatsApp for your business. So you need to set up your cloud API first in the developer section of Facebook or Meta, and if you want to do that, you can check the links that we have pasted in the description, and in those videos we have clearly explained how you can set up your own cloud API, and after that you can use it here inside this action window. So do check those videos, and then after that you can use it. And here in the action event, you have to select send template message option, right? Then click on connect here. And from this window, so if you're making the connection with your cloud API setup for the very first time, you have to select add new connection option. All right, and when you select add new connection, it will ask for the token of your cloud API, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp's business account ID. So if you want to know more about these things and about the connections regarding Pabbly Connect and the cloud API, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly, forum.pabbly.com. And here you will find these videos first on how to set up the cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, and how to generate the permanent access token that you need here to be filled. Okay, so you can watch these videos. Then after that, you will find the instructions written here along with the screenshots, and you will know everything about the API setup and the connections of cloud API in the trigger and action inside Pabbly Connect. All right, so for these things, I can show you my cloud API setup. So guys, I am in the Meta for Developers platform, and here I have created this application, My Connect Message app. And under this app, we have set up the API, and you can see I am under the WhatsApp's Getting Started page. Under the Getting Started page, guys, you will find the temporary access tokens first. But the temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. So to make your workflow run continually, you have to generate the permanent tokens, and you can know how to generate one permanent token by watching these videos from our forum or from our description, right? So after generating the permanent token, you can use it to make the connections afterwards also. So generating the permanent access token is a one-time task only. You have to get the token generated, and after that you have to keep it safe, because we are going to use the same token for making connections again. And here you can see in the send and receive messages section, we got this phone number ID here. So click on this copy icon, copy it and paste it here. And for the WhatsApp business account ID, you will get it here. Just copy it and paste it here, right? Similarly, guys, you can paste the token as well. And after that, click on save, and you will be connected with Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. So this is the one-time process, guys. Making the connection by this process is also a one-time task, just like generating the access token. Once you made your connection by this process, you can use that existing connection if you want to make the connection again. Okay, as I have already connected, you can see you can change the connection's name from here, and after that the connection will be saved, and you can use this existing connection. Let me show you how. Guys, I have already made a connection in a different workflow previously by this process. Now I can select this option, existing connection, and here you can see the list of the connections I have done previously from this field. Okay, select connections field, and from here you can choose any one of the existing connections. I am going to choose this one, WhatsApp Cloud API Final. Okay, right? And from here now I just have to click on save, and I'll be connected again. No need to fill out anything, right? So after getting connected, it will ask for the template's name, the message template's name. So guys, first of all, let me tell you what message templates are. So I am back again in my developer section of Meta, and here you can see we have in this step, in send messages with the API step, it is written here to create your own message template. Click here. So when you click on this here word, you will reach this page. Let me show you this page, guys, and these are the message templates I have created. So the message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that you can use to send messages on WhatsApp to multiple people at once. So you have to create these standard message structures first here in your developer section of Meta or Cloud API section. Then after that you can use them. Let me show you the template that I am using for this purpose, for sending the payment confirmations. So this is a template I have created. Okay, so from here I can show you the preview. So this is how this message is going to look like when we are going to send it on WhatsApp. All right, so there will be the name of the person here, hello Akash, for example, This is a confirmation that we have just received your secure online payment. The amount is this. This is the kind of message that we want to send, right? Now here you can see we can have a header in a message, we can have a body, and in the body you have to type the main body or the main message that you are sending, and in this body you have to put these variable tags like this. So you can see I have this 1 in double curly braces and this 2 in double curly braces. So these are called the body fields or the variable tags of the message. So we need to have these tags to get these things changed every time a new message is going to be sent, right? So there are certain things that we want to change dynamically with every new message, like the name of the person to whom I'm sending the message and the amount we have received. Okay, so that is going to be different every time, right? For that to happen, you have to put these tags here. After that, you can add a footer also, you can add a call to action button also. Let me show you how you can create one template for you. So I'm canceling it here, and you can see we have this create message template button on the top right. Just click on it, and here you can see we have these 3 categories in which we can create templates: the transactional one, the marketing one, and the OTPs. So you can select any of the category. I'm selecting marketing here. Now you can give a name to this template as well. Then you can select the language in which you want to send the message. Alright, after that you can click on continue from here. And here on this page, you can add a header by selecting from this box, and you can send a text in the header, or you can attach media as well, image, video, or document. Here in the body box, you have to type the main message that you want to send like this. Hello. Alright. And if you want to add the variable tag, just click here on this add variable button and a tag will be added here like this. Okay. So this is how you can create a message. So after completing the template, you have to submit it from here. Right now I'm canceling this. And after getting your template submitted, Facebook is going to review that template and approve it. And it will take just a few minutes. And after that, you can use it inside your workflow. So the template I'm using, guys, I have already shown you, was this. The payment update template. Payment underscore update. So you have to select this from here. From this template name field, just click here and it will show you the list of all the templates that you have. From here, select yours like this, and you can see that language code and the template ID is filled up automatically. Here it is asking the recipient's mobile number, so here you have to enter the WhatsApp number of the person to whom you want to send the messages. So guys, we have received the test data here in this first step. And in this test payment data, we got this contact label here in which we got this number, WhatsApp number. So I'm going to map this label here in this step. So just click here and from this Razorpay step, map this label like this. So when you map the data, you know it is going to change every time this workflow is run, and every time you receive a payment, the message will be delivered to the respective customer, right? Now it is asking for the body fields 1 and 2. So guys, you can see I have 2 variable tags or the body fields inside my message body. So to get these body fields change with every new message, you have to map the values of these body fields here in this workflow. Okay, so let us map the values. So the first body field, here we are going to want to place the name of the customer. So you'll find the name here in like this in the full name label, map it. And in the body field 2, we are going to put the amount that we have received, and you will get the corrected amount from this second step. All right, where we have divided it by 100. So select this result label in this step, right? Now guys, you can check the connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp account. So actually I have the access to this WhatsApp account and I can show you the message. So after clicking on save and send test request, you can see the message. So let me click here. So this is the response we have received. So now let me show you the message. And this is the message we have received. You can see guys, and the message is this. Hello Ravish Kumar, this is a confirmation that we have just received your secure online payment. Amount is this. Don't hesitate to contact us for any questions or concerns. And you can see in place of this variable tag that we have here, we got the name placed correctly as Ravish Kumar and the amount placed correctly. So this is how it is going to work, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything. After that, as and when you are going to receive any payment via Razorpay, a WhatsApp message will be delivered to that person for the payment confirmation automatically. And the good part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.